Hello to all. So today I thought I will be talking about the life skill goal setting. So already I have told how to make the timetable and all. So let me to give you more clarity how a successful person, you have seen the toppers, any successful, very successful people, how they used to plan. Okay, suppose to be you should have a one good board at your home, your chart. Okay, then keep your photo. Like suppose if this is me, you could see that I will be having some target. What the target for this year? Like the year has been started from 2021 Jan. You can take from the tomorrow, no problem. So first thing what you have to do is, first of all your plan should be divided into the 5 parts: daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly and yearly. So why these? Because then only you can monitor very well. When it comes to the monthly, see this is the chart of month. Okay, so you could just write down. Suppose Sunday is a one, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. In a such a way, all 30 days, whether 31 days. Okay, you can just have this planning. Here you should keep a reminder. Supposed to be on Thursday, 5th, I have planned to go to an orphanage. Orphanage. I will write before only. So that I should be a reminder. Your monthly calendar is very important. You all should prepare a proper monthly calendar. Okay. In that also you could have to-do list. What is must for you to do it. Then the meeting. Sometime in a month, every day you are not going to meet someone. Okay, what I will be doing? I am going to meet 5 times to someone. Okay, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like I am visiting to my cousin. I am visiting to my cousin. Then next week might be I will be meeting to my teacher. Okay. Then might be after the 3rd week I will be going to my village. So what will happen? This is the before only I am planning everything. Some special place. Suppose if I have planned for a small trekking, I will be writing in which week I am planning, like 3rd week. So before only you have to plan your 1 month. Like now the next month July is coming. So have 30 days, divide 30 days. Properly plan. Okay, what books? Suppose with this month I have planned for the 2 books should be read. So I will be writing this before only, so that in my subconscious mind it should be planned before this month. Okay, month plan. Quarterly plan means you can just divide, like within 4 months what are the work I have to do. Like suppose I have planned I should write a book. Then the second thing I have to say that I have to go for a small trip. Then the third thing I have planned that I will be taking at least 7 classes. In a such a way I have planned. Then yearly, your year goal, at least something you have planned. Like this year I have planned that I have to help, please I should go to the 5 orphanage. So in a such a way I have planned my year and all. So year plan is all over. Quarterly plan, it's mean a breakup you have to do. Then the monthly, which is very important. You need to design properly monthly plan. But how this monthly plan will be well? When you are working for daily planners. See, I used to say to you all, make daily diary. Why? Because daily diary is very important for you all. In that, every day you can plan. Like today's like planning. Morning 6 o'clock to night 9:30. You need to plan. Like your class start from 8:30. 8:30 to 2:30 you have block. But apart of that, what you should do? Like to-do list is must. Monday I have to go to the temple, church, whatever. To write down. This is a must for you on that day. Then second thing you think that no, I have a tuition also. At what time? 5 o'clock. It means a must task which you are doing. Health fitness. Health fitness is very important. Every day you should do some exercise. That also you can write down. Then goals. What do you mean by goals? You need to check that whether you have divided the timetable properly or not. Like I have to complete 1 chapter in 1 week. So every day I have in 1 chapter, if I have 5 pages, every day I should at least read 1 page. So there also I will write goal. Goal for what? For study. Goal for what? Study. Page number 1. in a such a way you need to check that whether you have done or not. So here you have to check every day whether are you doing or not. And notes and reminder mean it's a must. You need to keep the reminder for the next day. So children, you all could understand the goal setting is very important. So children, always remember that if you don't have proper goal setting of yearly plan, your quarterly plan, your monthly plan, your daily plan, your weekly plan, you are not going to achieve a good success in your life. So I hope that if you have to become the topper of the class, whether you have to become a very successful person, whatever, planning is very important, and planning comes when you are going with a small breakup. These all are the small breakup. So I hope that you all have understood very well. Already the previous video and already I have shared in all the life skill classes also how to make the timetable. You all got the clarity. But right now, please make these type of 3-4 timetable: monthly planner, weekly planner and day planner. Okay, so thank you so much. Do well in your life.